dental implant is an amazing way to replace a tooth that's been lost. It's super comfortable for the patient, and it quickly solves a problem by replacing the tooth. And the replacement is as good as the original tooth was, and sometimes even better for some people. When placing it, it's totally comfortable to be placed, and very few people have anything bothering them after the placement of the implant. It's just amazing. And we can place implants to stabilize dentures, to replace a whole arch of teeth if somebody's missing all their teeth, or just to replace a single tooth. Just amazing how well it works. So we do a free consultation and a free X-ray scan, 3D X-ray scan, to be able to tell you exactly what you need done and how to do it.